you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl.
Ronnie, 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 now time was spent unknown while I'm knocking on your door, yeah.
Guys, we're still chilling. We were playing some pool downstairs, and now we're just gonna chill by the pool area. Thinking of going inside the jacuzzi, but it is kind of hot, and the jacuzzi is very hot. And obviously, you know, the pool water is cold, so hey, I just want to see this room.
This is a mirror.
Yeah, it's a mirror. It's also a mirror, but it's also a cupboard.
A cupboard.
You can put your clothes.
This is much bigger. Is it the entrance or it's the door to the
No, it's the entrance. If you book 2 rooms like we got a family, so you just need to book out Soluna. Then you open this one. Okay. Yes.
Oh, the bathroom is nice.
That's spacious.
Very.
Yeah.
So one of the staff members was just showing us the other room, and it looks quite nice. But the prices here, guys, the prices here do not play, especially during holiday season. The prices are kind of crazy. Imagine, guys, I couldn't finish this bottle of Moet. Like, one thing about alcohol, it is not for me, Shem, and it's just so hard to even try to drink it. But yeah, just chilling. I hope you subscribed. I hope you're enjoying the content, and I hope you're not skipping the ads, because look at what I'm serving you guys with. Look at this premium content.
Fucked tonight, who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked tonight? She getting fucked tonight. 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 Stop calling her phone, she get fucked tonight. Knowing that I line, you the buster type. Knowing that you lying, we don't go for the hype. Catch up from behind, niggas know I'm a sniper. Second when I drive, baby know what I like. Spray that pussy wild, let me go for a dive. Who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked tonight. Better than night, I pay whatever the price. I knock her down, I'ma strike. I wanna feel it inside. Get with me, it's enticing. Your pussy is my vice. I see you, we gon' fight. You getting fucked tonight. Who getting fucked tonight?
Don't bring your friend if it ain't gonna be a threesome. Won't pretend ain't gonna.
Yeah.
I got that blue fever, cold as ice till you get near. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true.
We are at VNA Waterfront, and we booked a sunset cruise, so we are going there now. Yep. And yeah, guys, that's about it. Yeah, can't really say much. That's really about it.
Girl, you know what's up. Say what, say what, say what. Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling. Keep it on you and your home. say what? You know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, say what, say what? You know that I'm about it, baby. Girl, you know what's up. I'm begging you, I'm feeling you. You know what's up, you know what's up. Said I'm begging on you, and I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up, tell me what's up, baby. People find that I'm zoned. In the moment, you got the sound of the song. You got the phone coming on. Girl, you got me wide open. Waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't fight. Taxi cheap, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Girl, you know what's up. Oh, yeah. You know what's up. What's up? Say I'm big on you and on you. So tell me what's up. I'm begging you. I'm feeling you. You know what's up. Say I'm big on you and I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up.
Slow we compare, speeding up the heartbeat, banging in my chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep, deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You got me so turned up. You still gotta be so high. Weed always on my mind. No, he always on my mind. Don't you? Know you want some of this purr. You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. It will roll up 100 fucking blunts. All up in my mouth now. All up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it. All up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X and we sipping on it.
Guys, I'm back here. Baby Claire. I'm back here and I'm realizing that this is our last night. So tomorrow, this time, I'll be home. I'll be home with Coco and the trip will be over and it's just like, okay, what do we get excited for now? What do you look forward to now? Guys, it's been such an amazing trip. I won't lie, everything has been 10 out of 10. Especially this place. River One did a big one. Like, if you are looking into something very luxurious, like luxury standard, this is the place for you guys. The River One is amazing. The stuff is amazing. Everything about it is just like, okay, we see you. It's just like, it just always catches me off guard. Like, okay, I don't know, y'all had it like that. But yeah, it's been an amazing trip, guys. Thank you so much for watching until this point. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe because you can see what kind of content I give you. You can see my efforts. So it's only right for you to subscribe. You can't be enjoying so much content for mahala. Yeah, guys, that's about it. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we check out. For now, I'm just gonna chill and try to just, acknowledge and try to just, let it sink in that this is our last night here. It's our last night here. It's been such a beautiful trip, beautiful experience. Nothing is as good as doing things with the love of your life, guys. One thing for sure, every time you're not close to your person, you just miss them so much, and the feeling of missing them is not even nice. So imagine getting to do everything close to your person. It's just such an amazing experience. 10 out of 10. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. I actually passed out last night. I slept with my makeup. Today's officially checkout day. We're going back to Johannesburg, and we did enjoy our stay in Cape Town, especially at this Airbnb, River One in Camps Bay. Yeah, this is one of the best Airbnbs I've been to, guys. Like, it looks too luxe. Everything about this place is just luxe. Like, everything from the speakers. They have a speaker like literally every corner, so if you want to connect, you're welcome to. But from the speakers to the hair dryer to the straightener, I thought even uninstalled because I wanted to jump in the pool, and I also wanted to sleep comfortably. That week was now it was guys, no, a week for vacation is a big no. Yeah, guys, just woke up. I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna pack. Our flight is quite late, so I don't know, we might do beach day today. We couldn't do dinner at the 9s yesterday because our cruise ended so late, literally around 8 o'clock. So it was just so hard to come back here, change, and then go to the 9s, where else they close around 11. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I hope you're enjoying. I hope you subscribed. Don't forget to watch the ads. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me get ready, and I'll see you guys a bit later. Guys, we have officially checked out. This is sad, but I mean, it's time to go back to Joburg and hustle because Cape Town has been too much. So yeah, it's time for checkout. We're just gonna head out to the beach quickly, and then our flight is late, so we literally have like a full day in Cape Town, and then we're landing in Johannesburg. Yeah, guys, it's been an amazing trip. I won't lie. I just keep on saying this because genuinely it's been amazing.
Very nice. A lot of crews will go and see that view.
What's the name of it?
Let's just go to Outbay Seal Island.
Oh, okay.
Then you ask them about the Seal Island, and the window open. I got the aircon.
Oh, okay.
If you want, there's also one.
Go down and yep. Let's go see the beach. So, almost fell as well. What do you think?
No, it's just
Actually, I think it's best to not even wear shoes here.
I think let me try and take you pictures there.
Already? Grab juice. Juice. One umbrella, yeah. Cut in the middle though.
On the right, it's just
And you enjoyed it. So we're officially leaving Camps Bay. And you can see how big my install looks. Because now my pull forward is out. It's sad, but it's all good. Let's go back to Johannesburg. Let's go back to hustling.
Can